Let's start. Do you want to install structured wiring? If so, it is important to choose the right type of cabling. Structured wiring is the process of installing a cabling system in a structure. It allows you to manage better your security access, energy systems, security alarms, and more. There are many different types of structured cable wiring, and each one has its own advantages and disadvantages. In this episode, we will discuss the different types of structured cabling and help you decide which one is right for your organization. Let's start. The most common type of structured cabling is twisted pair wiring. This type of wiring is often used in homes and offices. It is relatively inexpensive and easy to install, and it can support data speeds up to 100 megabits per second. Twisted pair wiring consists of two insulated copper wires that are twisted together. Another popular type of structured cable wiring is coaxial wiring. Coaxial wiring is often used in cable TV and internet installations. It can support data speeds up to 1000 megabits per second, and it is relatively immune to interference from other electrical devices. However, coaxial wiring is more expensive than twisted pair wiring and it is more difficult to install. Finally, there is fiber optic cabling. Fiber optic cabling is the newest type of structured cabling, and it offers the highest data speeds of any type of cabling. It is also immune to interference from other devices. So, which type of structured cable wiring should you choose? That depends on your needs and preferences. If you need a cabling system that can support high data speeds and is immune to interference, then fiber optic cabling is the best option. However, if you are looking for an inexpensive and easy to install system, then twisted pair wiring is a good choice. Ultimately, it is up to you to decide which type of cabling is right for your organization. At House of IT, we practice all the standard prescribed codes within an organization. With our design and management, you can implement the most efficient physical infrastructure within your organization. Let our experts deliver the most appropriate and standardized structured network cable wiring system. Visit our website https://houseofit.ph/